Lesson number 6. Operational techniques in tourism and hospitality are crucial for maximizing benefits, enhancing customers' experiences, and adapting to market change. Standardized procedures ensure consistent service quality, while technology improves efficiency. Staff training and sustainability initiatives are also key components. Next is Lesson 7. Quality management and control focus on planning, monitoring, and maintaining high standards for processes and products to meet customers' expectation by eliminating defects and promoting continuous improvement. Businesses can enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. Effective quality control prevents harm and costly claims, ensuring that final products meet high manufacturing standards. Lesson number 8. A budget is a plan for future activities. It can be expressed in several ways, but usually in describe all a businesses in financial terms. It is the yardstick by which an organization performance is measured. Number 2. The budget is very important in a business because if a business does not have a budget, it will only end up it loses. But if a businesses or a company has someone who is good at budgeting money, that will only spend the money on important and necessary things, there is a highly possibility of the development of your business, because only with proper budgeting will your business be able to sustain the daily expenses, and you will earn a lot if you are good at budgeting your business. Lesson number 9. Productivity. How do you define productivity at work? Productivity at work involves combining efficiency and effectiveness to achieve meaningful results while minimizing waste effort. Key elements include streamlining processes, using tools effectively, and producing high quality work. Continuous improvement, collaboration, time management, and proactive problem solving contribute to a product work environment fostering trust and a positive experience. What is the importance of productivity? Productivity is crucial for both individuals and organizations for several reasons. It enables us to achieve more with the same amount of effort, leading to increased output and better results. By streamlining processes and leading to increased output and better result. By streamlining processes and eliminating waste, we work smarter, enhancing our efficiency and overall productivity. Moreover, a focus on effectiveness ensure that the work we produce is of high quality consistently, meeting or exceeding expectation. This emphasis on productivity also help minimize waste time and resources, leading to reduce cost, increase profitability for business. Additionally, accomplishing more on less time foster and sense of job satisfaction, as individuals experience a greater sense of achievement in a competitive landscape. Productivity is essential for businesses to thrive, allowing them to offer better products and services at competitive price. Lesson number 10. Efficiency and effectiveness. Why is efficiency being important in hospitality? Efficiency is paramount in hospitality, boosting guest satisfaction through faster, smoother service and personalized experiences. It controls costs by minimizing waste and labor expenses, increasing probability by minimizing occupancy and service offering efficiency operation create a positive work environment, improving employee satisfaction. Ultimately, efficiency provides a competitive edge, allowing business to offer better value and attract more guests in a demanding market. Number 2, how can hotel and restaurant industry improve your efficiency? To boost efficiency, the hospitality industry should streamline operation by simplifying process and automating tasks like check-in and check-out. Housekeeping, investing in staff training, cross-training, and fostering strong communication are crucial. Technology plays a vital role with PMS and POS, online check-in or check-out, mobile offering, and CRM system all contributing to efficiency gains, empowering employees, fostering a culture of continuous improvement, and benchmarking against industry standards further enhance operational effectiveness, ultimately leading to increased profitability and guest satisfaction. Lesson number 11. Supply chain operation. What is supply chain management? Supply chain management, or SCM, encompasses the planning, organization, and management of the entire product journey from sourcing raw materials to delivering the final product to the customer. Key objective includes efficiency, effectiveness, responsiveness, flexibility, and transparency. Effective SCM reduces costs, improves customer satisfaction, boosts profitability, enhance competitiveness, and promote sustainability. It's a strategic approach to optimizing the flow of goods and information, ensuring a smooth and efficient path from origin to consumption. Number 2. What is goal of supply chain management in tourism and hospitality industry? The goal of supply chain management in the tourism and hospitality industry is to ensure a seamless and enjoyable guest experience while optimizing operational efficiency and profitability. Key objectives include delivering consistent, high-quality services, managing costs, and effectively allocating resources to meeting fluctuating demand. Additionally, SCM aims to integrate sustainability practice and build resilience against disruptions by managing the complex network of service from accommodation to dining and transportation. Business can enhance customers satisfaction, increase revenue, and contribute to a more sustainable tourism sector. Lesson number 12. Sales performance monitoring involves tracking and analyzing sales activities, metrics, and outcomes to assess the effectiveness of sales strategies and individual or team performance. It helps identify trends, measure goal achievement, and improve decision making by focusing on key performance indicators such as revenue, conversion rates, and customer acquisition. Labor cost computation is the process of calculating the total cost incurred by a company for its workforce. These include wage, salaries, benefits, payroll tax, overtime, and other employee-related expenses. Accurate computation helps in budgeting, pricing, and evaluating operational efficiency. Gross sales are the grand total of all sales transactions reported in a period, without any deduction included within the figure. Net sale is total revenue less the cost of sales, returns, allowances, and discounts. This is the primary sales figure reviewed by analysts when they examine the income statement of a business. Average daily sales, average daily rate, the average number of products that are sold each day, calculated by dividing the total number that were sold in a particular period by the number of days in the period.